It smells fantastic. You are welcome, Anoque. You are welcome. Smush on face. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are brand new. It is Monday, therefore it is time to look at something new and give it a first impression, review, experience, all of that stuff. Today is going to be another skincare item. We're going to look at Anoque. Now I have done a review on Anoque's products before in the past, around a year ago now, and I'd already shelved that item and used it up and all of that stuff. But the guys over at Anoque actually reached out to me via a DM on my Instagram account. And what they actually said, right here, you can see Anoque at the top. Hey Hayden, happy Sunday to you. My name is Chris from Anoque, and just reaching out as we've seen your YouTube post reviewing our skincare. Love the efforts you've gone to. Since your original purchase, we've improved our formula quite a bit, based on the feedback we've had, and we'd love to get your thoughts on it. Could we send you out a free kit? So that's how it started, and lo and behold, this is where we've landed. They've sent out a kit. Even though this was sent to me, I'm definitely going to be giving my honest thoughts and opinions, and my opinions and thoughts are not persuaded, influenced by the fact that I got this for free. So this is what they've sent me, Anoque. It smells fantastic. Right out the gate, the packaging is a little different to the prior one, the one that I purchased last time. And I do believe that the packaging was just a brown cardboard, whereas now it's kind of sleek and black. I wish you could smell this because it smells fantastic. So when we open it up, here's what we've got on the inside. It kind of reminds me of Lumen skincare. With gratitude. It says, we thank you for supporting and trusting us with your precious face. You are welcome, Anoque. You are welcome. This is just a little note to welcome you to Anoque and to thank you for choosing our palm oil free skincare. We thank you, the animals thank you, and the environment thanks you. That's nice, that's really nice. So when you open it up, there are 4 items within this kit. Now before I pull them out, I will actually jump on their website, because I was just checking it out before, just so I've got all my information. And this is the kit here, the Men's Kempt Kit. And I will put a picture of it up on the screen. It retails for $60 Australian. You have 4 products that are within the kit. It comes with a 5-star rating. It's got 96 verified reviews. I'll just read through the little blurb that it's got on here. So when you go into the website, and underneath the picture and the price, it has the first paragraph. For the well-groomed man who keeps clean, stays neat, and is well cared for by himself. I like that. This men's skincare kit is the ultimate natural face kit, perfect for all skin types and at any stage of life. Okay, all skin types. I am neither dry nor oily. I'm kind of normal. I do get a little dry in the T-zones, but it's very rare that happens. The products in this kit are designed to cleanse, scrub, tone, and hydrate your face, leaving your skin feeling and looking amazing. Our men's skincare kit is made with natural ingredients, free from all parabens and nasties, and sourced locally from cruelty-free suppliers. Love that. The first item that's in here is the cleanser. It is a microfoliant cleanser. And what it says in here is it unclogs blackheads, clears acne, and brightens your face. It says this 2-in-1 men's face cleanser and scrub brewed with activated coconut, charcoal, and a botanical blend of fruit extracts, designed to dissolve and remove acne and blackheads. So the second one is the spray. It's a toner, an alpha toner. I've never used the toner before. I've used the old formulated version of the brightener and then the moisturizer. So this is going to be brand new for me. So this says it tightens pores for a smoother look and feel. So this is going to, apparently it's claiming that it's going to tighten my pores and make things look smoother. Make this natural men's face toner an essential part in your skincare routine. especially post cleansing your face with our canvas cleanser, which I'm going to test out. The third item in here is the moisturizer, which, as I just stated, I have used before, but obviously this is a new formulated, so a new generation of it. This deeply replenishing, fast absorbing and shine free men's moisturizer cream contains a high concentration of extracts and oils akin to the skin's lipids. Our proprietary blend of extracts have been shown to promote collagen production and reduce the signs of premature aging. Sign me the hell up. And the last product that's in here, it's in a glass tube, which looks like this. I don't believe that was a favorite of mine in the last time I tried a kit like this. This is the Youthful Face Oil, and that's what I can smell. It's very strong lemongrass, and it smells amazing. Men's Natural Face Oil is 100% active oil formulated to have multi-correctional activity, penetration and nourishment. Super rich in the world most new... There's a typo there. Anoque. You may want to fix that grammatical error. Super rich the world most nutrient plants, botanicals and essential oils designed to help boost collagen and circulation for improved skin tone, elasticity, balance and texture. Okay, so what I'm getting from this is when you put those four together, we have the cleanser, the toner, the moisturizer and then the brightener. I'm going to get a visibly smoother, evened out complexion. You can see that I have a little bit of coloration imbalances here. I'm going to come in nice and close before I pop this on my skin. Just so I always like to do like a before and after so we can see if it has done anything visible. You can see some pores through here and some of my wonderfully dark circles under my eyes and pores through here as well as some up here. Let's see if this actually does anything. All right, let's go through the directions. Obviously, this is step one. We have the cleanser. On the back, it says directions for use. Wet face with warm water. Squeeze a bean or two sized amount on your fingers. Smush on face. Thoroughly massage. Give special treatment to your nose, cheeks, or where acne and blackheads are present. Leave it on for up to 60 seconds and rinse well. Okay, well, let's get into it. It has that atypical skincare fresh kind of aroma to it. It looks quite thick. Obviously it's a microfoliant. So I've got some warm water off to the side. I've got a wet towel, some moisture on my hands, on my face now. Or two sized amount. So I've got this much. I do actually really like face cleansers that are more on the gritty side. Obviously not gravel. We don't want to, you know, hack our face on. It's more of a finely milled kind of grit that you've got in there, but I can feel it working against my skin. It says that you just need to massage it in. Now I'm not doing my entire face, obviously, because I have a beard. Alright, we have let it sit for 60 seconds. I'm going to pat it off. Now this one was supposed to unclog my pores. It felt very nice on the skin. You can see where I got a little carried away rubbing it in. Part two is this toner. It's a spray with a pump. And it says on here when to use. To be used daily after cleansing, exercising, working or shaving. Spray on your face, neck with eyes closed. If irritation occurs, wash off with water. Let's give our face a new beginning. Oh, that is a harsh spray. You know, after the cleanser, it feels like there is a little bit of a, oh, I don't want to say sting, but a tingle to it. Funnily enough, that had absolutely no odor to it, which I'm not complaining about, because sometimes when you get some skincare, they get a little carried away with the fragrance, that is. If I keep looking up, that's because I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror, because I'm currently standing in my living room and there is no mirror inside. Part number 3 to the 4-step process is the moisturizer. Right from the get-go, I can tell that this is going to be very different, because the last moisturizer also had a pump, which I'm really here for. I like moisturizers with a pump. The shape of the bottle is different. As you can see, it came with a safety thing on here. It's just a, I guess that's to make sure that none of the product is wasted in transit. From memory, I believe that I wasn't a massive fan of the consistency of the last time I tried the moisturizer. So I'm interested to see if this is any different. Before I put this on, now that the toner has actually sunk in, my skin is feeling kind of firm, kind of tightened around here and here. Here it comes. That took a bit. Okay, it's subtle, it's very subtle, it's nice. Okay, and it's definitely thicker. Much thicker than the last time. And a little goes a long way. Okay, it has been a minute or two. I had to recharge, or I had to fill up the camera's battery a little bit, let it charge for a little bit, because it was flashing angry and red. And my skin is feeling really great. It's feeling soft, smooth, and there's no actual residue. We got one more product to put on, and that's the youthful oil. That's supposed to help with repairing and revitalizing your skin for a youthful glow. That is extremely fragranced. Very strong lemongrass kind of vibe. I'd be interested to know if it actually does have lemongrass in it. It says, use this anti-aging face oil on a clean face before bed and gently massage with your fingertips. If irritation occurs, wash off with water. So I'm just putting it around the eyes. You can see that it does give you a bit of a shine happening there. But I've got it on, the fragrance isn't too crazy, and I feel like it's sunk right into my skin. We will pull ourselves closer to the camera to see if there is any visible difference. But she has sunk all the way into my skin. Is there a difference? You can still see a lot of the texture here. Funnily enough, I feel like some of the texture has decreased on my nose. You can't deny that there is definitely a glowy kind of vibe happening on my cheekbones, on my skin. We have landed at the end. I've got all 4 of the products on my face. I can honestly say my skin does feel extremely fresh and very clean and very smooth. Will I be using this again? Obviously I will be using it. I will continue to use the 4 products together. And it's obviously not nighttime right now, which they recommend that you do this before bed, this process. But what I can say right now is I give this a thumbs up. I'll link everything down below if you want to check it out yourself. And even let me know if you can see a visible difference or if you think that it doesn't look any different at all. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do all the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.